Yeah, good day, everyone. I welcome you to another episode of Mathematic with Alimi Abdulhakim. We have this question. This question is also from Aqua GCE. So for this question now, the question says a sequence U1, U2, U3 is defined by UN plus 1 equals to KUN minus 5, where U1 is equals to 6, where K is also a positive constant. Given that U3 is equals to minus 1, A, show that 6k squared minus 5k minus 4 is equals to 0. B, hence, Roman figure 1, find the value of k. Roman figure 2, find the value of summation from r equals to 1 to 3 ur. So what do we do here now? Let's start first by writing out what we have there. I have my u1, I have my u2, I have my u3, and so on. So it is defined on this that what un plus 1 is equals to what kun minus 5. And we're also given that my u1 is equals to 6. So let's look at the first question. Now, what is the first question? Given that u3, we have my u3. My u3 also here is given. My u3 here is equals to what? Minus 1. So let's start with the first one. They said, show that 6k squared minus 5k minus 4 equals to 0. So what do we do here now? I'm looking for my what? For my u2. How do I get my u2? My u2 is unknown. Invariably, my n is equals to what? 2. What do I do here? I'll be applying. Applying what? Applying my un plus 1 is equals to what? Kun minus 5. Therefore, my u2 is equals to what? u1 plus 1 is equals to what? K. What is the value of u1? The value of u1 here is what? 6 minus 5. Definitely, my u2, excuse me, is equals to what? 6k minus 5. I've been able to establish the value of what? Of u2. But we are told to show that 6k squared minus 5k minus 4, given that u equals to minus 3. So I also have my u3 is equals to minus 1. So my n here is also equals to what? 3. So also applying what we have, applying un plus 1 is equals to what? Kun minus 5. So I have this to become u3 is equals to what? u2 plus 1 is equals to what? K. Open bracket. What is my u2 now? That's what? 6k minus 5 minus 5. So I'll have this to become what? K open bracket what? 6k minus 5 minus 5 is equals to what? Minus 1. You know, we are going to recall that my u3 is equals to minus 1. So I have this to now become what? 6k square minus 5k minus 5 is equals to minus 1. I have my 6k square minus 5k minus 5 plus 1 is equals to 0. So I have this to become 6k square minus 5k minus 4 is equals to 0. So we've been able to prove, according to the first question, which says that show that 6k squared minus 5k minus 4 equals to 0. What is the next question here? They said, hence, find the value of k. For this one now, for my B, Roman figure 1, I have 6k squared minus 5k minus 4 is equals to 0. This one here is what? A quadratic equation. And we have different methods in solving quadratic equation. So let me applying factorization method. So I'll look for the factors. What are the factors here? For these factors here, I'll find the factors whereby the sum is equals to what? Minus 5k, and the product is equals to what? Minus 24k square. So what are the two factors that when I add them together will give me minus 5k, and when I multiply will give me minus 24k square? So that will become what? Plus 3k and minus 8k. Let me substitute it and expand further. So my 6k square minus 5k minus 4 equals to 0 becomes 6k square plus 3k minus 8k minus 4 equals to 0. I'll group them. That becomes 6k square plus 3k minus 8k minus 4 equals to 0. Let me factorize it out. So if I factorize this out, I'll have 3k, open bracket, what? 2k plus 1, and I have minus 4, open bracket, what? 2k plus 1. Everything equals to 0. So what do I do now? This will now become 3k minus 4 and what? 2k plus 1, all equals to 0. So I'll have this to become 3k minus 4 equals to 0, or 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. If I solve this further, that's my k is equals to what? 4 over 3, or minus 1 over 2. So, but it was written right from the question that my k is what? Is a positive constant. Thus, since k is a positive constant, since k is a positive constant, hence the value of k is 4 over 3. So this is for the Roman figure 1. For the Roman figure 2, they said find the value of summation of r equals to 1 from summation of ur from r equals to 1 to 3. So for this one now, I have this. I have my summation, my r 1 to 3 ur. And what does this mean? For this one, that one means I'm having this to be, that will become u1 plus u2 plus u3. But you are going to recall that we are given the value of u1. u1 is equals to 6, and u3 is equals to minus 1. So I have to get u2. So how do I get my u2 now? My u2, we also recall that my u2 is equals to what? 6k minus 5. And my k is now a positive constant. That's what? 4 over 3. So therefore, my u2 is equals to what? 6, open bracket, 4 over 3 minus 5. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So I have my u2 is equals to what? 2, open bracket, 4 minus 8. My u2 is equals to what? 2, open bracket, 4 minus 5. Sorry. 2 bracket 4, 2 open bracket 4 minus 5. So I have this to become what? 8 minus 5. Definitely my u2 is equals to what? 3. So u1 plus u2 plus u3 will now become 6 plus 3 plus minus 1. So this will become 6 plus 3 minus 1. That's what? That's 8. Therefore, summation of ur from r equals to 1 to 3 is equals to what? 8. I believe you've been able to solve this question, and the explanation is good enough. So if you have any question, please kindly drop on the comment section below. Don't also forget to subscribe and also like and share to your friends. Thank you. See you in the next episode. Bye.